Hi everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to save a file as a PDF in Microsoft Word. So first open your Word document, then go to File, then select Save As, go to Browse, and select the file location. Let's select the desktop, then go to the Save As type and search for PDF. Select it, then click on Save. And your document has been saved as a PDF. The second way is to go again to File, go to Export, and here click on Create PDF /XPS. Select PDF and the Save As type. Change the name of your document, then click on Publish. The third way is to go to File again, Export, then select Change File Type, click on Save As, and select PDF in the Save As Type menu. Then click on Save. Let's change the name of the file, then Save. And that's it. Now you know how to save a Word document as a PDF. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.